Good morning mga ka-seniors and friends all out there witnessing today the wedding of Bon Jovi and Arlene Joy here at St. Peter Paul, Lagao, General Santos City. Come join me and watch my video for today. Again, happy morning and enjoy the day. God bless everyone. While waiting for the bride and groom to arrive here at the church, doon pa sila sa venue at nagpe-prepare kami. Ang mga principal sponsors, ayan, dito na sa church. Ayan, nilalagyan ng mga beautiful rose flowers. Ayan. Start with, ito ang church sa St. Peter and Paul. Wedding of my nephew, Bon Joy.
And of course,
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And this is the wedding reception of Arlene Joy and Bon Jovi. And of course, as we are about to start our celebration this morning, parinig naman po ng isang masikap for our next question. Masigay na kabalatiya. Saan po sila unang nagkita? sayaw niyo po si Ma'am Joy na gamit po ang inyong grabing pagmamahal. And dance now with all your heart. Of course, sabay-sabay po natin i-witness. They are doing now the slicing of the meat. And of course, okay lang. Ayan. Basta man, sir, in a rate of 1 to 10, a scale of 1 to 10, kung saan yung feeling? Okay, kayo. Of course, no, our hearts are very happy today. Nabalik po natin at makita na napakasaya po ng ating bride and groom. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, bago tayo pumunta sa ating giving of messages coming from our principal sponsors, let's have a short game first. Ang tawag po sa larong ito ay Who Knows Them Better? And meron po itong premyo. Nasa pulang ampaw. And of course, mamaya you can claim it. For our first question, gaano na katagal na nagsama ang ating bride and groom before
Thank you for watching my video for today. Again, a happy morning and God bless everyone. Enjoy the day and enjoy the weekend. Again, congratulations and my best wishes to the newlywed.